Hello, good morning. Today we will see self-join of table, and also union, intersection and minus operations. Okay. Self-join is nothing but joining a table with the same table. If for some logic, if we need that data, like combining two tables, we can combine same table with the other rows. For example, if you want to get a person reporting to manager, something like that. If you want to know who needs to report to whom, like that, if some data like that is available in this table, then we can have the combination of this. Okay, I'll show you how to use it. Select, I have a table called personal, so I am giving select star from personal. Okay, this is the previous table we have seen. And if I need to join this table to same table again, I can do it by select star from personal P, join join which one, same table personal P1. So we need to give a different name because it is treating it as two different tables, so P and P1. So we will be getting this table like this. I had 4 rows only, now it is 16 because it is combined with the other 3 rows also. Okay, if some data is organized like this, and if you want to do some operations depending on the logic of the necessity, we can join the same table with itself, and we call this as self join. Okay, so this is not a fourth type of join. It is join the same table with itself. Okay, so this is self join. Okay, now I will show you how the union operation works. I am using select star from personal. I have a table like this, and I have one more table as students, and so it has only 2 records, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there are 4 records in the first table but 2 records in the second table. Okay. So if I want to combine this, before that I will change one field name, one record, update, which one, students, update students, set class number equal to 5 where class number equal to 4. So I have changed the class number of one field, so it is 2 and 5, and now I am going to combine this. So this 2 is repeated and 5 is a new record. Okay. So I am giving select star from personal. I have a keyword called union, select star from personal. So if I have given the both tables are same table from students. I have 2 tables, one is personal, other is students. So I am combining this. So now you can see we are getting the combined rows 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Since the 4 is repeated, it is not repeated here. Okay, so it acts as along as unique also. So if it is repeated, it will not be shown twice, it will be shown only single times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 belongs to the first table, and 4 and 5 belongs to second table, but the 4 is not repeated. It shows 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so it shows only unique records also. Now we have intersect. Intersect is for intersect keyword is for showing the records which are common. Now we know that 4 is the record which is common. Okay, but actually there is no this keyword does not work in MySQL, but in Oracle it works intersect. Okay, so intersect is for getting the common records. It can be done like this also. If I use an inner query like this, so let's start from personnel, where class number in means a list, a class number in, select class number from students. So it can be implemented using the inner query also, where class number in, I am getting a list of class numbers, and so class number in that list. So select star from personnel where class number is existing in that list, that is class number in select class number from students. So this is intersection operation. Okay. Also there is a keyword as minus. Minus is A minus B, set minus. The records in A but are not in B. Here also minus does not works. So we need to use the logic as class number not in. So 1, 3 and 4. So 2 is existing there. Okay, 2 is existing in the second table, and so the records which are in first table but not in second table, that is minus. Here also we can see that there is a record called 5. There is a record called 5, but it is available only in second table. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are available in the first table, and 2 and 5 are available in the second table. So first one minus second one means the records which are available in the first table but not in second table. If I am doing a second table minus first one, it means that records which are available in second table but not in first table. We'll try that also. So let's start from students. Take everything from students, where class number not in personnel. This is like B minus A. Okay, so I will be getting the code which is available in students but not in personnel. Okay, we know that 1, 2, 3 and 4 are in personnel, and 2 and 5 are in students. So personnel minus students means records which are available in personnel but not in students. Students minus personnel means records which are available in students but not in personnel. Okay, so we have 3 keywords: union, intersect and minus. Since intersect and minus does not works in MySQL, I have shown a different way using inner query, but in Oracle intersect and minus works. Depends on the version also. Okay, so hope that is clear now. Self join and the 3 other keywords. Okay.